A blown low-voltage fuse commonly causes the thermostat and entire heating and cooling control system to stop working immediately. A low-voltage fuse protects the control circuit that powers the thermostat and the system control board. So when it opens, the thermostat will lose power and the control board will not energize relays or the fan motor. Check the fuse location on the control board or in the furnace or air handler junction box and test it with a multimeter for continuity rather than assuming it is blown by sight alone. If the fuse is open, replace it with the exact same value and type, usually 3 amp or 5 amp slow blow or time delay fuses, because using a higher rated fuse will allow damaging currents to flow. After replacement, observe what happens when the system is turned back on. Immediate repeat blowing indicates a short or a component that is drawing excessive current, such as a stuck relay, a shorted thermostat wire, or a failed control board. To isolate a thermostat short, disconnect the thermostat wiring at the control board and see if the fuse still blows with the thermostat removed from the circuit. And if it does, inspect the control board and attached components. If the fuse only blows when the thermostat is reconnected, run a continuity check from each thermostat conductor to ground to find damaged insulation or a pinched wire and then repair that segment before replacing fuses repeatedly. The 3 most common issues are a short in the thermostat wiring, a failed relay or transformer on the control board, and repeatedly replacing the fuse without finding the root cause. For thermostat wiring shorts, disconnect the thermostat and test each conductor to ground and to each other. Then repair or replace the damaged cable and secure it away from metal edges. If a relay or transformer on the control board is drawing excessive current, do not keep replacing the fuse. Remove power and visually inspect for burnt components and test the transformer secondary current. Then replace the faulty module or control board. If someone keeps replacing fuses without diagnosing, advise them to stop and follow the isolation steps described earlier, or call a qualified technician who can perform safe current measurements and a proper functional diagnosis. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find jobs in their service area. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share practical troubleshooting tips, contractor experiences, and project recommendations.